Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the chance that given to me. Now I would like to present our paper. Let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Windy Utami Putri, SPD MPD, and my partner is Dr. Rinto Alexandro, SEMM. We are from Universitas Palangkaraya. In this opportunity, I would like to present about perceptions of the Mahir Mahar Housing Complex community about the weekly market during the COVID-19 pandemic. First, I will explain to you about introduction. Market in people's life has an important role. In the market, people can meet needs and become an economic driver. The market is a place for buying and selling transaction between seller and buyers. The market has many types, depending on whether they are differentiated according to their function or types. Daily market are held every day. Weekly market are held once a week. Monthly markets are held once a month, and annual markets are held only once a year. Weekly market is a gathering of consumers or people for a certain periods for the purpose of buying and selling, exchanging goods and services, and even ideas. Tangible and intangible are exchanged. Markets according to time such as a daily markets, weekly markets, monthly markets, and annual markets already exist in the city of Palangkaraya. The weekly market carries out the buying and selling process not from the morning or afternoon, but at night. People who live in the Mahir Mahar housing complex take advantage of the weekly market, which is held every Saturday afternoon or, to be precise, on Sunday evenings. So that in the market there is social interaction. From this social interaction, there are many kinds of perception from the community, both regarding the benefits of the existing market, then environmental conditions, security, social interaction, and also about education and customs. During the COVID-19 pandemic, this affects various community activities. One of them also affects community activities in the weekly market in Mahir Mahar housing. Based on the descriptions, the authors are interested in studying and analyzing people perception of the weekly market in their housing complex during this pandemic. For this reason, the authors conduct research entitled Perception of the Community of Mahir Mahar Housing Environment about the weekly market during the COVID-19 pandemic. And research result, one, market presence, frequency distribution of the TIC respondents who were given SIC statement items can be obtained by the percentage of answer strongly agree as much as 35%, agree as much as 37%, and disagree as much as 20%. The answer turned out to be the highest percentage of answer agree as much as 37%. Two, market benefits, frequency distribution of the 66 respondents who were given 7 points of statement can be obtained the percentage of answer strongly agree as much as 45% agree as much as 46%, and disagree as much as 9%. The answer turned out to be the highest percentage of answer agree as much as 46%. 3. Social interaction. Frequency distribution of the SIC respondent who were given 2 statements can be obtained by the percentage of answer strongly agree as much as 10%, agree as much as 51.5%, and disagree as much as 38.5%. The answer turned out to be the highest percentage of answers agree as much as 51.5%. For clean lines, frequency distribution of the statistic respondents who were given two statements can be obtained by the percentage of the answer strongly agree as much as 36%, agree as much as 21%, and disagree as much as 43%. The answer turned out to have the highest percentage of disagree answer as much as 43%. Five, security. Distribution of the statistic respondent we were given per point of statement can be obtained the percentage of answer strongly agree as much as 23.75%, agree as much as 39.75%, and disagree as much as 36.5%. The answer turned out to be the highest percentage of answers agree as much as 36 39 39.75%. Six, quality of market merchandise. Distribution of the statistic respondent we were given 2 point of statement. The percentage of answer was 6%. Strongly agree as much as 80.5%, and disagree as much as 30.5%. The answer turned out to be the highest percentage of answer agree as much as 80.5%. Conclusions, descriptive in conclusion, descriptively, the community's perception of the existence of the Mahir Mahar housing complex community agree with the existence of a weekly market. Thus, it can be concluded that the existence of a weekly market in the Mahir Mahar housing complex was approved by the residents Mahir Mahar housing complex community. Mahir Mahar housing complex community agrees with the benefit that people can feel because of the weekly market near where they live. Thus, it can be concluded that the public feels the weekly market is useful in the Mahir Mahar housing complex. The community agrees with the various types of social interaction that occur when the weekly market takes place. Thus, it can be concluded that social interaction during the weekly market does exist and is running well in the Mahir Mahar housing complex. The community does not agree with the clean lines in the market environment, or rather the market environment is dirty. Thus, it can be concluded that the residents agree that the weekly market is located in the Mahir Mahar housing complex has a dirty environment. The community agrees with a conducive market security and is not disturbed by all the activities and hustle and bustle that occurs in the market. Thus, it can be concluded that Mahir Mahar housing complex community feels safe under control when the weekly market takes place. The community strongly agrees that the quality of goods or merchandise sold in the market is good or fresh for side dishes or vegetables, as well as affordable prices. Thus, it can be concluded that the quality of the marketplace is highly approved by the Mahir Mahar housing complex. That is my presentation. Thank you for listening. May all this we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you so much.